Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Okay, let's wait a little more for all the guys to come and then we'll start the class. Hopefully, no one is coming. What's wrong? Like, is there any problem? Everyone just join faster so that we'll start the class. Do everyone have came? Let me know. Everyone came? Is everyone present here? Answer that. Okay, let's have attendance first. So, uh, firstly, Prasanna, are you here?
yes, yeah,
Then Gayatri. Do we have Gayatri here?
yes,
Okay, Yamuna,
yes,
Suprita. Do we have Suprita with us?
yes, भैया.
Okay. Then we have Amrin. Are you present, Amrin?
Yes, भैया.
Wait. Amrin, just let me know your name pronunciation because it's little confusion. What's the actual pronunciation?
Amrin.
Yeah, I didn't get you.
Amrin.
Are you eating something?
No.
Okay. Then we have Samriddhi. Are you present?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. Then we have Srimukhi. Do we have Srimukhi with us? She's not connected, I think so. Okay. We have Prabhat with us. Okay. Do we have Kavya with us?
Yes.
Okay. And also we have Shrima, who is a new one from BC, right? Shrima, do we have you?
Yeah, Bhaiya.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, done. So let's not waste the time and let's start the class. Firstly, today's class will be little longer rather than other days because the concepts are little further done. So mostly what I mean to ask is, uh, let me know one thing. Uh, is my audio and video are clearly visible? Is there any sort of issue with the network? Let me know because I have cleared it yesterday itself. If it is there, let me know.
No.
Prasanna, no?
No.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's start the class. Let's not waste it and I'll start the class, okay? So let me share the class first. So we are gonna have our class right now and before that, okay. So guys, I'm sharing the screen. Okay now, be ready for it. So I have pinned you guys. Just a minute. Yeah. So let's start the class and today's class is fifth class. Okay. So am I audible? Let me know first. Am I audible?
Yes.
Is the
Yes.
screen visible to you? The PPT visible to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, done. Done. So let's not waste the class time and let's start the class. So what I wanted to ask you is, so today is fifth class. Okay. So who else is new to the class? Just get the PPTs and if you have a doubt related to the class, you can just visit our YouTube channel. There are already recorded videos available and the videos from this lecture will be available very soon. Okay. So am I clear with it? So today's class is 5 and we are gonna start our class. And today, let us check out our class of of today. The date we're gonna have 30% of the knowledge of C language. Okay, in this session we are gonna have 30% of the knowledge in C language. And today's class, after this class, you will be able to understand the process of compilation, that is also known as translation in C language, and also the concept of variables, constants, identifiers, and keywords. So let's not waste the time and let's start the class. Okay, done. So let's get the first thing that task one was on yesterday we have given a task to all you guys, that is finalized a logo. So we have finalized a logo and that logo will be kept today and the person who have created it will receive a prize from us. So let us check out all the logos and ask them who have made it. Okay, so from the bottom, yeah, whose logo was this one? Let me know the name. Whose logo was this one?
Suprita Bhaiya.
Suprita. Okay, then this one.
Suprita.
Yeah,
Suprita.
who is that? I didn't get you.
Suprita Bhaiya.
Okay, these two were from Suprita. Okay, done. Okay, whose one is this? Whose one is this?
Kavya.
Okay, whose one is this? This one.
Suprita.
Okay, this one.
Samriddhi.
Samriddhi. This one.
Samriddhi.
This one.
Yemuna.
Okay, this one. Finally, this one.
Kavya.
Okay, so remaining people haven't tried, but we have finalized the logo, and soon it will be available on the WhatsApp group, and the person will receive it, and the name will be not declared now. It will be declared after the class. Okay, am I clear? So these are the logos which were prepared by you, and among them, few members haven't participated. I hope that in the next task you will be participating. Okay, so let's move further. Done. So let's first check out what we have cleared it. Okay. So according to the syllabus sheet which I have provided to you, if you check out in the PDF of it, we have completed the basics of computer, isn't it? Answer me so that it gets
Yes.
interactive. Okay. Then we also completed introduction to the programming, isn't it? Programming languages, programming basics and all, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. Then also we have completed the introduction to the C language, the history, all the details of C language, isn't it?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah. And also basics of C language. Yesterday we have completed little basics of C language, isn't it?
Yes,
And
Bhaiya.
also and also we are gonna have little basics today. The class will be on basics of C language. Okay. So we are on the fourth chapter, or you can say. Okay. Am I clear on this part? So we have to complete the first chart of 10. We have little more topics, but this is the topic we are going to study right now. Okay, done. So let's move further. Okay, nice. So let's first understand the compilation of a C language. I hopefully think so that all you guys have gone through the code. Yesterday we have printed a statement, right? Jai Shri Ram. Did everyone printed it yesterday?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah. So the code which we have written now, guys, the code which you have written, actually the code which you have written is called as source code. Okay, the file which you have created, right, with the name, some sort of name. I have created the file with sample. Okay, I hope you have remembering it, isn't it? Do you remember that I have created a file with sample.c, and we have printed the statement here, that is Jai Shri Ram. So what I mean to say is actually the what the file we have created, in the terms of computer we call it a source code. Okay, this file is called as source code. This file is called as source code. Okay, yeah, this file is called as source code. And dot c was extension of C language, C4. It says that the file is of C programming language. Done. Is it clear to you till now? I hope it's clear.
Yes.
So the code which we have written in a file with extension .c is our source file name, and the file which is called as source code, the code which is present inside is called as source code. Okay, this source code is given to compiler. Let us understand what is a compiler. Okay, compiler is a sort of translator. Okay, compiler is something which is a translator. Compiler is a translator. Okay, is it clear? Which translates this C language to object code. Am I clear till now? In any doubts? If you have any doubts, let me know first. Till this if you are clear till this, let me know. Yes, anyone has
Yes.
doubt related? Okay, done. So what I mean to say is, understand thing, that compiler is a sort of translator which translates the C program into a object file. Object file, what are object files? Let me show you what is actually a object file. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Object
Yes.
file, object file is something, object file is something which has half binary code. Okay, half binary code and half source code. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
It is a file. Object file is a file which is having the half binary code, that is 0 and 1, and half code which is sample code. Is it clear right now? Done. So let's move further and understand Then this object file, which is compiled and created, is given to a linker. Now what is a linker? Linker is a sort of kind of catalyst. It's like a catalyst. If you are from a science background, you might know that what is a catalyst. Catalyst is like a thing that helps in reactions, isn't it? So simply, linker is a sort of mechanism in computer which helps the header files. You might have seen the header files yesterday, right? If anyone is attended to the class, yesterday's class, they know what is header file, isn't it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let me have a question with you. We have Gayatri. Gayatri, just open your mic so that I can have a question to you.
हाँ भैया.
Yeah, Gayatri, let me know what is a header file. What is a header file? What is a header file?
It is a file which have details of the function.
Very good, superb. You have a good answer. Yeah. So, okay, let me know one thing, that where are these header files located of C language? Where are these header files located actually? Do you know? Anyone
No.
who knows that the location of the header files in a local device?
I know.
Yeah, let me know who is that particular and answer it. Where it is.
Kavya.
Okay, where it is located.
Firstly, we have to go to the file manager.
Okay,
In that, we have to move to this PC. We will be
okay,
having MinGW.
okay.
In that, we will be having in section. There we
Include section
will
in the
get the
min. Okay, just wait. In the include section, we in the directly into the min gw, and then directly to include section. Directly include section. Or else we have anything else between this, like bin. Did you forget, everyone?
Yes,
I
I
think so.
think
You have
it
forgot.
is been
Bin. There is a bin. Okay, bin fold. In the bin folder, we have header file. Okay, clear? Yeah.
okay.
So this linker, what does this linker helps is, this linker helps to include the header files required for the sample file, which sample file having the source file and also binary code, isn't it? Is it clear till now? This linker helps to include the header files to the particular object file. Is it clear, guys? No one is responding. What's
Yes.
the reason? Yeah. Then this code, which is linked with the object file, this object file is given to, after the linking, this object file is created as execution file. This is the execution file has the extension that exe. Okay, is it clear? See, let us see that what these things actually are. I'll show you the thing. I'm getting back of the screen. I'm getting back out of the screen. Yeah, I'll show you one thing. Just a minute, okay? Just a minute. Is it visible? Is my screen visible to you?
Yes.
My screen is visible to you, right? Okay, good. So let us open the VS Code yesterday's class. Okay, C Sigma course. In this, I'm opening the VS Code. Done. I hope you know the opening of the file in VS Code, isn't it clear, right? See, actually, see, after I have compiled the program now, if you check out here, see, if you check out here now, in this place, see, this is the file which is called execution file. This is actually execution file which has some sorts of zeros and ones and also the half code. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is actually the execution file. See, how can we identify? See, in this, it is first dot c, right? See this program. What I mean to say it, this one. In this, see, this is the .c program, which is called what? Sample file or sample code, source code. Okay, source code. This is called source code, isn't it? Also, we have a .c. See, there is also a code which is having .exe, isn't it? The file with .exe is called execution file. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's move further. I hope you have understood what actually happens with the compilation of C language. So let's move further and understand the thing. I hope it's clear till now. Let me open the PPT first. Yeah. See, okay, we are into back into the PPT. See, after this execution file is created, when we run the program, what happens? When we run the program by the CPU, which is present inside your computer, which is also called as, which is also known as your operating system, or else the chipset. Done. This chipset helps, or the processor helps to output the details of the particular program into the black colored console. This is called as console or output screen, which you have in the corner of the screen. Isn't it clear?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Let me
Yes.
show you. Let me show you. Just a minute. So we are back into the screen, and I have opened this window, VS Code. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's visible to you. See, this is the code which we have written, and I'm erasing the screen. Yeah. See, this is the code which we have written, right? This is the code.
Yes.
This is the code which we have written. What I mean to say, I'll close this file. Okay, I'll close this file. I'll close this file, and I'll open it again. See, I have opened it, and now see, if I run it right from here, if I run it, what happens? What happens? The processor of my computer, just simply given the output here. See, is the output visible to you? This part. See,
Yes.
there is output here, isn't it? What happened? It
Yes.
converted my source file .c file to a object file. Then this object file is linked with the linker, which has the header files, and thus then linker helped the object file to create an execution file, that is exe, and then this exe with the help of CPU or the processor made the execution to the console. So this part of the any terminal or else any programming help IDE is called terminal. See, this is terminal, right? Or also you can call it, see, there is also written debug console and all. So this is actually console, SQL console. So console is something where the output is given. Is it clear to you? I hope it's clear. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
This is the process of compilation. Okay. So let me have a little more one thing, that what is the problem with the compilers. See, let us just make a error. See, I have made an error, isn't it? I have made an error, right? See, there is a red color detailing here. It's giving an error like this place. You can observe. Can you observe it? This part. It's
Yes.
giving me an error that I have not mentioned this two semicolons here, isn't it? I have not mentioned the two semicolons here. There is a problem with this place. కనబడుతుందా అందరికి? ఈ పార్ట్
Yes.
ఈ
Yes.
పార్ట్ ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ పార్ట్ లో ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం సెమీకోలన్ పెట్టలేదు కాబట్టి. డన్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే, వాట్ వీఆర్ గోనా డూ, we will run it. Okay, we will run it and let's see what happens. So I'm running from this place. I have run it, and let's check out what the console says us. Okay, let's check out what the console says us. I'm running the code. See, what did it say? First program error. See, it is giving error, right? See, is it written error here? Can you see it? Error.
Yes.
It is giving me that there is a error, and also it's saying that is part mein where the error is, and also what to mention. See, it is giving the suggestion too. Okay, clear? So what I mean to show you is, నేను ఏం చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నానంటే, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ పీపీటీ చూస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. జస్ట్ అ మినిట్, నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, what I mean to show you is this part. if if ఇక్కడ చూడండి, if there is a error in the program, ఓకేనా, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, కంపైల్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ ఒకవేళ అందులో ఎర్రర్స్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ శాంపుల్ కోడ్ పంపించి ఆ కోడ్ ని మళ్ళీ రీకరెక్ట్ చేయండి అని చెప్తుంది. టు కరెక్ట్ ద ఎర్రర్స్, ద కంపైలర్ త్రో బ్యాక్స్ ద కోడ్ టు అగైన్ టు ద శాంపుల్ కోడ్, అగైన్ టు ద సోర్స్ కోడ్. ఓకే, క్లియర్?
Yes.
డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఏమైనా ఇక్కడ ఈ పార్ట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? కంపైలేషన్ పార్ట్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా చెప్పండి.
तो भैया स्टार्टिंग से समझाओगे थोड़ा?
समझा, फिर से समझाओ. डिडंट गेट यू. नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं अभी घर आया ना, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा ही सुना।
अच्छा सुनो, तुमको ना मैं पर्सनली समझा दूंगा बिकॉज ना इट विल टेक लिटिल लॉन्गर. डन. मैं तुमको पर्सनली
ओके
समझा
भैया,
दूंगा. थोड़ा
नो
आगे बढ़ते
प्रॉब्लम।
हैं. ठीक है.
ओके ओके।
Okay, anyone else has a doubt? Let me know, because if anyone has, let me know. In this section, do anyone has problem with this compilation? Answer me. If you won't, I don't understand if you have a problem or not.
No.
No, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
we understood.
Okay. So let me ask a question in this page only because it's very important to. Okay, if are you maintaining a notes? If not, it's okay. But if you are maintaining, very good. So let me know what does this file is called. Anyone can answer.
Source code file.
Source code file. Okay. What does this is called? Another name of this?
Translator.
Okay. Okay. Very good. What does this do? What does this do? Linker. What does this do? What is the work of
Helps
this?
to include the header files in the particular object file.
Very good. Okay. Very good. What is this? What is this actually?
Operating system or the CPU.
Very good.
which helps
Okay. What?
play the output
Very good.
screen.
Very good. What is this? What is this?
Output screen or the
Very good.
console.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Let's move further. Done. Let's move further. Okay. I'll help Prabhat to understand it later. Done. Because there is a little more larger things to get. So
Bhaiya,
I
I
hope
have
you have
a doubt.
understood. Okay. Ask me. Ask me. Let me know.
Bhaiya, until the error is gone, the
हाँ.
compiler keeps sending to the source code. मतलब जब तक वो clear नहीं होता तब तक वो object file में नहीं जाता है.
Exactly. Okay. See, source code. This is called source code. Then we have compiler, which compiles the program to what? To into a byte object code. Is it clear? Object code. Okay. Let me just make you clear what actually happens. Then we have src dot object. What is this src? It's a file name. Okay. It is a file name. Then we have our linker, which helps to link the header files. Okay, header files. Then what happens? Can anyone answer me? What happens next?
Execution of the file.
Execution file is created .exe. It means that key a file will be created with a name src.exe. Okay, clear? Clear? Then after this, what happens?
CPU.
Yeah, CPU. Exactly. CPU, which is also known as your OS. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay, CPU. And then what does happen? Then the console screen. Isn't it? Clear, right? Clear? I hope it's clear. This is very easy to understand. Okay. So,
Yes.
okay, let's move further. And we are into the next part. So, we are into the next part and let's move further. Yeah. Next, let us understand what are tokens in C language. Hopefully it is visible, I think so, and there is no problem with the audio, I hope so, isn't it? Let me know in the in between, because I think so my network is that good now, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what are C tokens? What are C tokens? See, C tokens are these are like building blocks of C language. Without these tokens, you can't prepare a C language code. Okay, you can't prepare a source code without these. These are like building blocks in the sense, acha, who have played the game of building in the early stages of your younger age? Like, bachpan mein you have might seen that there will be something toys like this, these type of toys, like there will be a square and there will be some sort of these things like above, and you can fix another square over it, similar which has a
Yeah,
sort of place in it. Do you know what I mean to say? I hope think you have understood what I mean to say.
Yes.
So similarly, that type of things are called these tokens. Without these tokens, so everything in the program of the C are tokens only. Okay, everything in the C program are tokens. Like this one, these are brackets, right? Also these semicolons, the printf functions, isn't it? The int statement, the main statement. I'll let you know. It might be not that clear, but in very soon you'll understand what these things are. Okay, hopefully. Let's move further. So in the tokens we have keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, operators, and also these are all we can also say it as variables. Let it be variables. Okay, so these things are the tokens of C language. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
We will understand this in detail. Okay, we will understand everything in detail. So let's move further and understand the things with an example. Okay, let us assume an example. Let us to understand the concept of variables. It is important to understand the concept of variables, and then we'll understand what actually variable is. So let's have a example. Okay, who want to be the example of me? Let me have an example. Like one of you, I want to make an example. Who is comfortable with the example? Let me know. Okay, the new member. Your name? What's your name? The new girl. Whose first day is today?
Srima Bhaiya.
Okay, listen. You need to be interactive in the class because it's very important for me to understand that you are understanding the concept. Okay, clear?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So Shrima is that
Okay,
particular
Bhaiya.
child. Okay, good, very good. So let us example this girl is Shrima. Okay. So this girl is Shrima. Let's understand that this girl is Shrima and also make that ki Shrima's mother. Okay, let's keep Suprita as her mother. Clear? Let us example with Suprita as her mother. Done? Am I clear till now? So in this example, we have Shrima and her mother. What actually happening is, let us understand that her mother says Srima that bring me the sugar dabba from the kitchen. Okay, Srima's mother says that ki go and bring me the sugar dabba. Done? It's clear till now?
Yes.
Then what happens actually is,
Yes.
then Shrima goes to the kitchen to bring the sugar dabba. When she arrives to the kitchen, she finds that there are so many dabbas and things all around in the shelf of the kitchen, but she doesn't understand which dabba to bring. Is it clear to you? Then she waits for a while and she shouts from the kitchen to her mother that what dabba and where is the location of the dabba? Let me know so that I can bring it. Her mother, on the next step, says that the dabba in the third row, in the second place, is placed and has a label of sugar. Has a label of sugar. This statement is given by her mother. That is Shuprita. I think so. Shuprita, right? Name? Yeah, Shuprita. So after Shuprita says that, her mother, her daughter, then Shrima gets to an idea that where the actual dabba is located. Then what actually happens is Shrima founds the location of the sugar. See, it's in the okay. Let me know. Okay, I'll call one of the person and I'll ask them. So I have Amrin. Are you available here? Open your mic if you are. Yeah, Amrin, let me know where is the sugar dabba located. Can you locate it me? I want to go to that particular place. Where is it?
In the third row, left corner.
In the left corner? Where?
Yeah. Third row.
Third row. Okay, this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. Done. So from in this location, is this one the sugar dabba or this one? Which one?
The one near the where you wrote the number, left side.
This
To my
one?
left side.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope this one is that one, right? I hope this one is the thing, isn't it? This one, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
The green tea. Okay, done. So if you are aware with the particular thing that there is a label on it and you know that it is a sugar, then you can grab out that yeah, this is actually sugar. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So what actually variable is, I wanted to explain you that variable is something. Okay, variable is something which has a memory location and has a name and stores something inside it. Okay, let's understand it in detail what actually a variable is. So what I mean to say is that, see, let's understand variable. Let's understand variable actually. Okay, see, variable is something. See, variable is something which stores data. It's like a container. Firstly, it's like a container. As this was a sugar container, right? When you have a doubt, let me know in between also. It's okay. See, it's a container which can store anything. Which can store anything. Okay. Is it clear to you till now?
Yes.
Okay. Let us
Yes.
understand with an example. There is 1 kg of sugar. Okay. Done. We have 1 kg of sugar. Okay. When also one dozen. Okay. Also 1 dozen of eggs. We have 1 dozen of eggs, and we have 1 liter of oil. Okay, done. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. What I mean to say is, there is a container, okay, which has a name, that is sugar. That has a name with sugar, and in this you can keep anything of 1 kilo, 1 kg. Done. Anything of 1 kilo. So let's keep. Firstly, can I keep 1 kg of sugar into it? Is it possible? One answers.
Possible.
Possible, right? So done. Okay, can I keep 1 liter of oil into it in this container?
Possible.
Yeah, possible. Also, if let us assume that, yeah, we can also keep 1 dozen of eggs into it. The container is little larger. Okay. So,
Okay.
yeah. So one thing, can I keep 2 kg of sugar
No.
into this?
No.
No, right? No,
No.
right? Yeah. What I mean to explain you is, variable is something, variable is something which has a fixed size, okay, but varying nature of name. Like if I change the name, let us understand that if I change the name and keep it undo, okay, null, I'm keeping it null. Anything you can keep, okay, null. There is nothing. So can I change the name of the label after removing any label and keeping a new label and naming it with any other name? Isn't it? Is it possible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So variable is something vary which can